Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Flow AI could not generate video error. If Flow AI could not generate video, it usually means the system is overloaded, your prompt is too complex, or the upload didn't process correctly. So start by simply refreshing the page and trying again since temporary server failures are very common. Then if that doesn't work, simplify your prompt by removing long descriptions, multiple scene changes, or any copyrighted references because this can cause the render to fail. And also make sure your upload is optimized by using smaller JPEG or PNG files and reducing file size if needed, since larger or unsupported media can break the generation process. And if the issue still continues, clear your browser, cookies, and site data for Flow AI. Log back in, or try switching to another browser like Chrome or Brave to rule out extension or cache conflicts. And if none of these steps works, the most likely cause is server congestion, so waiting sanitary minutes and trying again later often resolves the issue once the system load goes down. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.